Nissan Sentra 2013 to 2018. To shift into neutral if your battery is dead or you don't have the keys, find the hole to the left of the gear selector, insert a screwdriver into it to release the shift lock, and then you can shift into neutral.